Hi, it's Ashley again, creator of DateDojo.com. I'm here today to talk to you about the Chat-jitsu tool. So now you finally got a match. Are you going to be ready to convert that match into a date? DateDojo's Chat-jitsu tool will make sure you're ready. By practicing your chatting skills, you'll be ready when the right match hits your inbox. To get started, you first create a post. To create a post, you pick a topic, let's say, want to meet. You can select your gender, or you can say, I prefer not to say. The relationship type, age, I'll just make it wide open here. And a few other categories. Let's check out Chat-jitsu from another user's phone so you can see what that post looks like. They go to the play panel and they can see your post right there. And when they're ready to play, they click this button and now your game is started. When someone sends you a message, you have to immediately decide whether it was a good message, very good message, or bad. And then it's your turn to play. I'm obviously a very fast typist. I like that message, so I'm going to give it a good rating. And so on. If you want to end the game, you can say end the game, then choose a reason why you quit, and the other player will be notified. When you're just getting started, it might be helpful to watch some other people play before you start. I'm going to create a third application running just so you can see what it looks like. This person creates a new game. The other person sees this, decides he likes the conditions, so he starts the game. So our third person is interested in watching a live game, so he can see it here. Decides, yeah, that looks interesting. So he opens up the game, and he can see it coming in live. So now our user can watch two people play who already feel comfortable chatting. He can watch their plays, learn what they're doing right, and learn what they're doing wrong. By watching other users play, our new member can learn the fine art of Chat-jitsu. Then, after he's had a chance to practice himself, he'll be ready to chat when he meets his first match. So that's Chat-jitsu in a nutshell. There are a lot of other features to check out, ways of filtering the posts and topics to choose from, so you'll be ready for any conversation online. In our next video, I'll introduce you to the Date Gurus. Hope to see you then.